Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell by the name of this video, I am apartment hunting in Miami. I'm gonna be showing you guys the apartments that I toured, and in the description I'm gonna leave the time marks for the exact apartment, so if you want to skip ahead to see a certain apartment, you can do so. This is part 1, and part 2 I'm going to be uploading in a few days, so stay tuned for that. Part 2 is actually viewing luxury apartments. No more talking, let's get to it. The kitchen's nice.
It's size for a small apartment.
It's nice to have new appliances.
Yeah.
This is 201. Oh, it is? So we're on the second floor. Still pretty big balcony. Bedroom, pretty much the same. High ceilings. Such a nice day out. So interesting. I just can't get over it. Walk-in closet. Cabinet space.
So that will be new.
They're changing this?
Yep, they just sent me. And tomorrow company is doing a deep clean.
Today is Wednesday, December 30th, and it is day 2 of apartment hunting. I am going to see about, I think, 6 or 7 apartments today in North Bay Village, some in downtown Miami, some in Edgewater, Miami. And yeah, I am very excited. Yeah.
Well, you're gonna love, you're gonna love me.
So that wraps up part 1 of apartment hunting in Miami. I really hope you guys find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching again. I will see you guys in my next video.